Hi guys, this is Shilpa Mittal and this video is for 9th class students. We are continuing our exercise 2.5. Here is our question number 5, which is factorize. So we have to factorize these kind of polynomial in which 3 terms are in square. These kind of polynomial we have to factorize. So after analysis this polynomial, we conclude that we have to apply the fifth identity to factorize this. So fifth identity is x plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. We can clearly see that the expandation of this identity is almost same as the given polynomial. As these has 3 terms in square, the identity has also 3 terms in square. So after comparing the right hand side part of the identity with the given polynomial, this is the right hand side part of the identity and this is our polynomial. So we have to compare these things. So first term is x square and first term of our polynomial is 4x square. On comparing, we will get x square is equals to 4x square. As we transpose this square, then it converts into the root on the other side and we get the square root of 4x square in 2x form. So x is equals to 2x. We have to replace these x by 2x. Moving to the another term. The second term of identity is y square and the second term of our polynomial is 9y square. So on comparing, we will get y square is equals to 9y square. By transposing method, we transpose this square on the another side in the form of root and we will get the square root of 9y square as 3y. Means we have to replace y with the value 3y. Moving to the next term, the third variable of the identity is z and the third term of the given polynomial is 16z square. On comparing, z square is equals to 16z square. We just repeat the transposing method and square converts into the root form on the other side and we will get the square root answer, which is z is equals to minus 4z. So here is the term of z is in negative form. We just put the negative sign in front of 4z because when we see our polynomial, when we see our given polynomial and when we analysis this polynomial, so we just see that these two terms have negative sign and z is common factor in both the terms. These two terms have negative sign and the z term is common in both the terms. Z variable is common in both the terms. That means the value of z variable is in negative form. So after analysis these terms, we just put the negative sign in front of 4z. So this is the value of variable x, y and z. We have to put these values in left hand side part of the identity and we will get the factors which we require. So left hand side part of the identity is x plus y plus z whole square. That means we have to replace x with 2x, y with 3y and z with minus 4z. Plus minus minus and the factor is 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. As these term carrying square, that means we can write these terms 2 times. And this is the 2 factors of the given polynomial. If you have any query regarding this question or regarding this method, then you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Remaining parts of question number 5 is your homework.